What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Oh man, guys, you guys can see the black truck over there. Well, I've been having a lot of issues with it, so I'm gonna stop using it for a little while. Not long, just a little while. And we're gonna get the white OBS Chevy ready. And well, that's what the video for today is gonna be about. If I do drop the videos in order, you'll see how I did the starter on that one. And actually, when I pulled the starter, it was all oil soaked, which I'm pretty sure that's why it stopped working. And well, that truck is leaking a lot of horsepower, and that is really bad. So it's gonna be staying in the shed for a little while, and I may end up pulling the 5.0 out so I can reseal everything. So meanwhile, we're gonna be driving this one. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Hopefully it's not too long of a video, and well, enjoy. All right, guys, so what we got here is our 94 Cheyenne. I'm gonna put those wheels and tires on this truck, and well, like I said, I'm gonna end up daily driving it. It does have AC, well, not AC, but at least it has hot air. This one, I don't know. Yeah, you can kind of see right there. That's just from it being parked like 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna stop using it. I don't want to blow the motor. It's been running, driving good, besides the starter issue. But yeah, it's just, I don't want to mess it up. But again, little issues here and there with the coolant, but it's all right. It hasn't failed me yet. So right now, I guess I'm gonna just start off by pulling the wheels and tires off. Hopefully those lug nuts fit. If not, I'm gonna have to get the ones with the open end. So let's get started, guys. I'm gonna get my tools down. All right, guys, so the wheels are off our black flare side, and we're gonna start putting them on here. But well, my dad sent me to get these, so shout out to the sponsor of today's video, my dad. And also I got this little thing, which I won't show y'all exactly what it's for, but y'all got an idea. It's a on and off switch. And also we got our plug wires. So before I do that, I'm gonna just go ahead and get all this changed out, just in case it gets late or something, and at least I'll have good tires to go on. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, and then we're gonna swap these out. This side done, and maybe it's just me, but damn, it looks good. Look at that. Now I do have the rear end raised up because I'm gonna do the other side, but yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. I don't know about y'all, but I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna say y'all look over here and look at my brother-in-law's Coyote. We'll get there someday, guys. have it. Does need a wash, obviously, but I'll probably do that once I get back to Dallas. But look at that. It's pretty good. Needs to go lower in the back though. Another 2 inches at least. Sit right here maybe. But gotta order the drop hangers for that, so I'll probably do that later on. Now we can start working on our plugs and wires, and hopefully it's not too hard, and hopefully I do not mix them like I did on my black flare side, because it ran like doo-doo for like a week and I couldn't figure it out. I even rebuilt the computer and it didn't do nothing until I checked the wires, and I had well, on that one is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I had 3 and 4 mixed up. So yeah, so hopefully that does not happen on this one. But got my plugs here, and just need to get my tools. So let's get this started, and hopefully no mishaps. All right guys, so let's start. I'm gonna do one by one. I'm gonna just show y'all right now. I think this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I might be wrong, I don't know, correct me down in the comments, but either way I'm going this side down to the back, and then I will be doing 1 plug, 1 wire, that way I don't mess up. So I'm gonna put you guys on another time lapse, and we're gonna do this side, and then we'll move on to the passenger side. Guys, here we go. I did want to keep the time lapse going, but I kept having issues where my hands wouldn't fit or the tools wouldn't fit. But well, I think that is it. I got them all. I did have an issue with that one because the ratchet wouldn't fit in there, and I had to look for my where is it, my plug socket, and then I had to use a 19 mil so I could turn it. So that was that. The rest, they weren't too bad. This one was a little bit hard, but I got it. So got all the wires done, plugs are done. Now we got to put on the air box or air breather, and we should be ready to go. Hopefully it runs a little bit better. And I need to get some of these because I didn't put them back on. I just put them on to where they don't hit the header. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here, and hopefully it runs better than it did. All right guys, got that on, and let me show you the plug wires. Look at that. And as I went through it, I kept wondering how the truck ran, man. Look at that. Pretty sure it was arcing everywhere on the headers, but look at that. And look at the plugs. These are driver's side, and these are the passenger side. And they weren't even gapped correctly. They were at a 60 thousandths of an inch, and they're supposed to be at, I think, 35 thousandths. But I got the new ones to 35. But man, look at that. Hopefully it'll run a little bit better. I'm actually about to turn it on right now. Just gotta get some of this stuff out the way so I can burn it. But yeah, it needed a tune-up really bad. So good thing we did this today. I was gonna take it to Dallas like that, but man, I'm pretty sure I was gonna have issues all the way over there. But now that this is done, let's go ahead and turn her on and see what it sounds like. Alright, not bad. I don't have a tag, so I don't know how the RPMs are, but come on. She's a little uneven, but I'm sure it'll smooth out. I'm gonna let it warm up, and hopefully everything goes away. Alright guys, well, she smoothed out. It's not really warm up all the way, but should be ready to go. And also, I did get the radio from our parts truck, or 97. Thank God the harnesses were the same, so I just had to plug it in and she's ready to go. But yeah, that's it. That's all I'm gonna do today. Hopefully it makes it all the way to Dallas. So with that being said, guys, I really appreciate y'all watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Keep up with the whatever I'm gonna do with the black truck, because it kept giving me issues, and hopefully this one's not like that, but you know, God's plan. So yeah guys, remember, stay tuned for the next one. Peace.